Apple is on a roll. The tech giant has been making waves in the industry with its groundbreaking innovations and cutting-edge technology. They're replacing Intel chips with their own Apple Silicon, a move that has been highly anticipated and is set to redefine the future of computing. This is a big deal. The shift to Apple Silicon marks a significant milestone in the tech world, promising enhanced performance and efficiency. The M4 Max chip is the latest and greatest. It's designed to deliver unparalleled speed and power, making it a game-changer for users. It's a powerhouse for professionals and creatives. Whether you're editing videos, designing graphics, or developing software, the M4 Max chip can handle it all with ease. The transition started in 2020. Since then, Apple has been steadily rolling out devices equipped with their own silicon, each one more impressive than the last. It's all about more power and efficiency. Apple Silicon chips are designed to maximize performance while minimizing energy consumption. Macs just work better with Apple's own chips. The integration of hardware and software is seamless, providing a smoother and more responsive user experience. The M4 Max takes this to the next level. It's not just about raw power, it's about delivering that power in a way that's efficient and sustainable. This chip is a beast. It can handle the most demanding tasks with ease, from high-resolution video editing to complex 3D rendering. It's super fast for video editing, allowing you to work on multiple streams of 4K video without breaking a sweat, 3D rendering, and more. The M4 Max chip is built to handle intensive tasks, making it a favorite among professionals. It even rivals desktop computers. The performance of the M4 Max chip is so impressive that it can compete with high-end desktop setups. Plus, it sips power, giving you amazing battery life. You can work all day without worrying about running out of juice, making it perfect for on-the-go professionals. Who is the M4 Max for? Think professionals who need the best. Video editors, graphic designers, software developers, they'll love it. Students too, especially those in demanding fields. The M4 Max can handle anything you throw at it. It's not just about power though, it's about getting things done. The M4 Max lets you focus on your work, not your computer. The MacBook with M4 Max is sleek and stylish, embodying the perfect blend of form and function. It comes in cool colors like space gray, silver, and midnight blue, allowing you to choose a look that matches your personal style. The aluminum body feels premium, giving it a robust yet elegant feel that stands out in any setting. Don't let the looks fool you though. This machine is portable. Weighing just a few pounds, it's easy to carry around. It's thin and light, perfect for taking on the go, whether you're heading to a meeting or working from a park. Apple nailed the keyboard and trackpad, making typing a breeze and navigation smooth. Typing is comfortable and the trackpad is super responsive, ensuring you can work efficiently without any hassle. The Retina display is stunning, offering vibrant colors and deep contrasts. It's bright, sharp, and perfect for creative work, whether you're editing photos, designing graphics, or just watching a movie. Benchmarks tell only part of the story. They provide a snapshot of potential, but real-world performance is what truly matters. The M4 Max crushes it in real-world use. Whether you're editing videos, designing graphics, or coding, it handles everything with ease. Video editing is buttery smooth. The M4 Max ensures that even the most demanding tasks are completed without a hitch. 3D rendering is insanely fast. Complex models and animations are processed in record time, making it a favorite among designers. RAM matters, and Apple gives you options. You can choose the configuration that best suits your needs, ensuring optimal performance. More RAM means smoother multitasking. Run multiple applications simultaneously without any lag or slowdown. Choose what's best for your workflow. Tailor your machine to handle your specific tasks efficiently. macOS is designed for Apple Silicon. This synergy ensures that software and hardware work seamlessly together. It's a match made in heaven. The integration is so smooth it feels like magic. Apps like Final Cut Pro fly on the M4 Max. Battery life is incredible. You can edit videos, render graphics, and more without worrying about running out of power. You can work for hours without worrying about plugging in. The M4 Max is designed to keep up with your busy day no matter where you are.